Welcome to Cyberspace Hub. In today's video, we will discuss about various control statements available in C. 1. Conditional statements in C. These are used for decision-making based on conditions. When there are no conditions around the statements, they execute sequentially. 2. If statement. The if statement is a fundamental conditional statement in C:. It is used for modifying the flow of program execution. It is always used with a condition that is evaluated before any statements inside the if block. The condition is enclosed in parentheses. The code block within the if is executed if the condition evaluates to true, a non-zero value. The code block can be a single statement, or a block of code enclosed in curly braces. Let's analyze the code example. C, #include, int main, int num1 equals 1, int num2 equals 2, if and num1, num2, // condition, num1 is less than num2, printf num1 is smaller than num2, return 0, output, num1 is smaller than num2. In this example, the condition num1, num2 is true, so the statement inside the if block is executed, resulting in the num1 is smaller than num2 message. 3. If-else statement. This is an extension of the if statement. It allows you to specify both true and false blocks of statements. If the condition is true, the true block is executed. If the condition is false, the false block is executed. After execution, the control automatically transfers to the statements appearing outside the if-else block. Code example. C, #include, int main, int num equals 19, if for num less than 10. Printf, the value is less than 10, else. Printf, the value is greater than 10, return 0, output, the value is less than 10. In this example, since the condition num less than 10 is true, the true block is executed, and it prints, the value is less than 10. 4. Nested if statements. These are used when multiple decisions are required. You can nest one if statement within another. If the outer if statement fails, the compiler skips the entire block, irrespective of the inner if statement. Code example. C, #include, int main, int num equals 1, if for num less than 10. If for num equals 1. Printf, the value is, %d\n num, else. Printf, the value is greater than 1, else. Printf, the value is greater than 10, return 0, output, the value is 1. In this example, the outer if checks if num less than 10, and if true, it goes to the inner if and prints the value is 1 because num is 1. 5. Nested else if statements. These are used for multipath decisions. The test expressions are evaluated from top to bottom, and the statement associated with the first true test expression is executed. When all test expressions are false, the default else statement is executed. Code example. C, #include, int main, int marks equals 83, if marks greater than 75. Printf, first class, else if marks greater than 65. Printf, second class, else if marks greater than 55. Printf, third class, else. Printf, fourth class, return 0, output, first class. In this example, the first if condition marks greater than 75 is true, so it prints first class. Nested else if statements allow for multiple conditions to be checked and executed accordingly. These control statements help you make decisions and control the flow of your C programs based on different conditions, making your code more dynamic and responsive to various scenarios.